Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use Flexiti Pay Later Card, right? So here we are into their website, and once you're into their website, on the top right you will get this option of apply now. So you have to just click on apply now. If you have already applied, then just click on login here and you will be able to log in into this website, right? So once we are here, so this is very important disclosure. You have to just go through it because they have described some of the very important description and information. So here you have to click on I have read and understood the important disclosure. Here you can just click on next. If you want to download it, you can always download it by scanning this QR code too. Now just click on the next right now. Here you have to fill all the information such as your email address, that can be your personal as well as your business, your phone number, your salutation, first name, middle name, and every details which you need to fill up right now. Now, after filling all this information, they will ask you the financial information such as including your employment details and income. So once you have filled all this, both this form, you have to wait for the approval. So Flexiti may perform a credit check as part of the approval process. You may receive an instant decision, or it may take a few days or some 2 or 3 business weeks sometimes. So just go and check your email that whether you have received your email or not. So once approved, you will receive your Flexiti card by mail, right? And you can just log in into this account here. Let me show you. So here, once you are into their account, as I showed you in the start of the video, you can just log in into the Flexiti account here, and you will to access each and every services they provide. Now here, to activate the account, first find the card activation section, right, and enter the required details such as the card number and additional information requested. So set up a pin, right? So of course, to set up a pin, it's very important just for security purposes, and here your card will get activated and you can do whatever purchases you want to do it from this card. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.